My English is horrible. My vocabulary is poor. My pronunciation is not good. I have mother tongue influence. I get stuck while speaking. I'm horrible in English. This is what I hear from students every now and then. Many people I have seen hate their English. They don't like their English. They hate their accent, they hate their pronunciation, they hate every aspect of their English. My dear friend, in this video I will tell you why you hate your English and why this affects your English and also other aspects of your life. Maybe I'm the only YouTuber who has applied the conventional psychology into English communication, because I believe that English communication is more about mindset, it's more about your thinking and less about English. This is my 19 years of experience which has taught me this. And after training hundreds and thousands of students and seeing the results, I am sure 100% that English communication, English speaking is more about the way you think about English and less about grammar or less about vocabulary or less about all those things which we think are more important. If you have this problem, and I'm sure you are watching this video, it proves that you also have this problem. You also hate your English. If you hate your English, if you feel like my English is not good, then watch this video till end. I will give you all the psychoanalysis. I will do all the analysis, the way you think and the way you look at your English. And at the end, I will give you a solution which will help you to be a better communicator. Dear friends, in the comments every day I see comments, students telling me that, sir, due to your video, my English has improved. I'm more confident speaker. Thanks a lot for your comments, dear friends. Thanks a lot. And one more thing I want to tell you, I want to thank you with my folded hands that I have crossed 3 lakh subscribers. Thank you all of you for this love, for this respect you have bestowed on me. I will continue making such more videos which will help you to be a better communicator, to be a good speaker, to get better jobs and to have a better life. That is the mission of my life. So please continue this video and this video will be very helpful for you. Let us start. Well, friends, as I said, when I tell my students, I have online training sessions. There are hundreds of students from India and abroad also. Whenever I talk to these students, I tell them that the first step towards English communication, towards fluency is not any reading, not any listening, not grammar at all, not any theory, but practical. Practical comes first. I say the horse comes first before the cart. Cart doesn't come first, horse comes first. What do I mean? I mean, first is speaking. You have to open up your mouth and you have to communicate with fluent or non-fluent speaker. There is no other way. It's like communication is like swimming, If you want to be a good swimmer, you cannot go and take down the notes. It's of no use. You have to go and plunge in the water. But many, 95%, in fact 99% of the speakers, 99% of my students tell me this. Sir, my English is not good. Sir, my vocabulary is not good. Sir, my pronunciation is not good. My accent is not good. My English is horrible. I'm this, I'm that, I'm that. Yeah, of course, that's the reason why they have come to me. I know that their English is not good. But I'm not saying that their English is fantastic. But what I'm saying is, they criticize their English too much. Actually, they think their English is too bad than actually it is. You're getting my point? They think like, my English is here. But actually, from my experience, I can tell that their English is here. Yeah, they have to go here. But what they think is very negative about their English than what is the reality. And this stops them from communicating with others because they think that, sir, as my English is not good, then how can I speak? How can I speak to a confident speaker? How can I speak to a native speaker? I can't speak. I can't take the calls because I work in IT industry. I work in a global industry. I work in hotel industry. I'm a teacher. My students will laugh at me. Then how can I do it? Well, this kind of thinking had some psychological reasons which I will analyze now. Friends, understand, there are 3 reasons behind this kind of thinking. There are 3 reasons behind hating your own English. First is black and white thinking. Now, what is black and white thinking? Black and white thinkers, these thinkers, they think in only black or white, not in between. Black means failure, white means success. They think that either I am black or I am white. And of course, what they think? Black only. They don't think about white. They think I am failure. Same thing they apply for English also. My English is black. It is not white, therefore it is only black. They do not consider any other shade in between. In between black and white, there is another shade. Grey shades are there. But they think my English is horrible, it is bad, it is worse, vocabulary is nothing, da 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 da. But when I listen to their English, I see that they are not that bad. They are better actually. Some are very good. They are fantastic. But they still think their English sucks. This is the first reason, because black and white thinking. They think that if I am not Virat Kohli, then I am a failure. White or black. No in between. Second reason. What happens is, in our childhood, we have been continuously compared with our friends, with our siblings, with someone who is better than us, by our parents, by our teachers, by our friends also. And due to that, a low self-esteem, low self-respect develops. And due to that, we hate ourselves. We do not like any aspect of our personality. We do not like our looks. We do not like our body. We do not like our English communication. We do not like our marks. We do not like our job. We think that except me, everyone is good, because since childhood we have been compared to others. And that is one of the reasons why we do not like our English, or we underestimate our English. Third reason is there. This is something from TV or YouTube videos which goes in your head. That is called as the achievement obsession. You know, in this world of achievers, in this world of where achievers are like God, when you see India's Got Talent, or when you see Oh My God TV programs, when you see America's Got Talent, when you see this 10-year-old kid dancing, 12-year-old kid doing PhD and all, your self-esteem goes down and you consider you are hopeless, you are failure. Because you compare yourself with them. And due to that, same thing happens with English also. When you see someone who is very fluent, you think you are worst. When you see people like Harsha Bogle, or when you see people like Shashi Tharoor, you say, I'm zero compared to them. This is one of the reasons why you hate your English. Dear friends, these are the reasons why we hate our English. In fact, I have seen people, they hate their own voice. They don't like their own voice. They hate their own voice. They hate everything they have. And not only it affects your English communication, it affects every aspect of your life. Now, let me give you the clarity. Let me tell you what is the fact. We have to get our thinking right. Because we always think in a wrong way. We have a lot of cognitive distortions. We have a lot of thinking errors. Why do we do that? Because I think that we are fallible human beings. I think that we are human beings with a lot of thinking errors. Most of the time our thinking is wrong. Most of the time our thinking is self-hurting, not self-helping, self-hurting. So first thing I want to tell you is this. You cannot do like black and white thinking. You cannot be worst in English or best in English. No, we are in between. We can't compare like, okay, this guy is best in English. We don't know, there are many people who are better than him. Okay, so you are not black, you are in between, gray. Between black and white, you are in between that. So this is a thinking error, stop that. The reality is different. My English may be somewhere grey, maybe towards more side of white, but I'm not white. I'm not black, I'm in between that. So don't say my English is worst, it's bad. Don't use this negative vocabulary. The words which you use to define your personality have a huge impact on your mind. So be aware next time. Don't say your English is worst. Say your English is average. Say your English is improving. Say that my English is getting better. But it's not worst. If you think in this way, you will not have confidence to speak with anyone else. Second thing, your parents have compared you with someone else. Yeah, fine, it's okay, they have compared it. But you don't need to take them seriously. Everyone is different. Everyone has his way of living life. You can't compare a fish with a monkey. A fish can swim in water, a monkey can climb a tree. So you can't abuse a monkey that you are not a good swimmer than fish, because monkeys are designed to climb the trees. Fish are there to stream. God has designed to make them good streamers. So whatever your parents, your friends have said, forget that and just be you, whatever you are. And that is what I did in my life. And today I'm here. I don't worry about what people say about me. Third point I want to tell you is achievements. See, remember one thing, you have to accept yourself with achievements and without achievements. Only getting material achievement is not success. Only having fancy degrees is not success. Only getting popular is not success. Accepting yourself with achievements and without achievements is called as success. And when you follow these three things, you will start liking yourself. And when you start liking yourself, you will like your English, you will like your voice, you will like yourself, you will like your looks, you will like your small achievements. And when you do that, you will feel better about your English, you better about yourself. And you will go and face confident speakers. And you will not compare your English with them, because tomorrow your English is going to be better than them. It will take you some months, but it is going to be better than them. And there are many people who are worse than you in English. You are better than them in English. So stop comparing. Keep on working on your English. What I say is, don't say your English is worst. Say you are improving. Keep on working on your English. Keep on improving your English. But don't rate your English as worst or bad, because English is a continuously improving, continuously evolving process. Dear friends, next time when you go and speak to a confident speaker, please don't say my English is not good. Say I'm improving. So friends, write in the comment, I accept myself and I accept my English. Write in the comment, I accept myself and I accept my English. Okay, go ahead and speak up. My best wishes for you. Hope this video is helpful to you. Go to my LinkedIn, go to my Facebook page. You will find a lot of such tips which will help you to feel good, which will help you to think right, which will help you to be a better communicator and overall to be a happy and successful person. Thanks a lot again for your subscribing my channel. And definitely, I'm going to fulfill my promise by giving you best content on this channel. Thank you and goodbye.